You know, I was tired of switching between different streaming services and paying for each one separately. That's when I came across Premio Iptv, and it completely changed my viewing experience. With just one subscription, I now have access to all my favorite movies, shows, live sports, and even PPV events, all in one place. The best part? The setup was super simple. I didn't need any technical skills. I just followed the quick guide and started streaming in minutes. And while no service is perfect, the streaming quality has been impressive, with minimal buffering even during peak hours. If you're tired of juggling subscriptions and want to save money without sacrificing quality, I definitely recommend giving Premio Iptv a try. You won't be disappointed.